Hey, we're here with Godfrey Racing, and we were just talking. I think you've had your unit about 7 years now, 6, 7 years?
Yeah, it's been about 10 years. Yeah, 10 years. Had a unit about 10 years.
Awesome.
And we use it religiously on a regular basis. And I swear by this unit. I mean, there's nothing I put in it that didn't come out the way I wanted it to. Yeah. It even actually exceeded my expectations. Yeah, and I think, a lot of things that I really recommend is we do a lot of filter changes, keep it clean, we keep the skimmer going. I mean, keep it cleaned up the back. And my theory to it is if you take care of it, it's going to take care of you, and we take care of our unit. We end up changing the fluid out probably once a year.
Wow, see, that's amazing. And then you're also using it on the mold side too, right?
Yeah, we have a testimonial plant where we clean the mold. And use the new mold cleaner when you send it in, and it's awesome. So,
now, does that help save the face of the mold?
What it does is you get a lot of gas particles and stuff filled up in the core, and stuff where you can't see the bean down in the coring. And you can never. So a toolmaker used to have to go in there with sticks and try to rub the carbon out and the gas build up.
Right.
Where now we turn the cavity cores upside down to maintain them, and the Ultrasonics is up and keeps the carbon and the gas is loose. And we put it back in the mold, cut our service time down from a typical mold where we're tearing it down. It takes 12 hours. We turn that into 2 hours.
Wow.
Great safety. Then on the race side, like I found it especially beneficial for like pistons with carbon on the top.
Yeah.
It doesn't actually clean the carbon off the top. It softens it to a point where just a light scrubbing with a Scotch-Brite pad makes it look like brand new again.
Well, we know we try to sell these as like a part-time employee. Would you say that's a good way to put it?
Absolutely. Like I said, where Barry takes parts, put them in, start the cleaning process, and he's over here working on something else. By the time he gets done with that rotation, he can come over, take them out, rinse them off, put another basket in, and go.
Well, we sure appreciate you guys.
Yep.
It's been a pleasure knowing you and whatever we can do to help you out, just let us know.
Okay, I appreciate it.
Thank you guys.
Yep.